guys, listen to this. Alright, so right here we got the Epomaker Ajazz K870T wireless Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. It has blue mechanical switches, so those are the loudest switches I know of so far. It goes for $63.99 on Amazon, and apparently you can pair it up to 3 devices. It's USB-C, 2000 milliamp battery, so you should be able to play that for quite a while before you need it to charge. And let's have a look. To be honest, because with wireless mechanical keyboards, unless they come with that kind of 2.4 transmitter thing, the Bluetooth ones tend to be quite pricey and they don't often come as mechanical. So let's have a little look at these. Looks quite decent, to be honest. Yeah, look at, oh, guys, listen to this. The click test sounds good, guys. I'm gonna put that to the side for now. Let's see what else we get in the box. Okay, some instructions. Calm. Okay, got some different colored keycaps here, and then you got, wow, a USB-C cable. Cool. And we got the keycap puller. So yeah, we can pull bare keys off of this thing. So yeah, I guess it's pretty much set up. Just need to connect it to my computer, and I think I might change around some of these keys. All right, peel that off. Put this one down. Hey, lovely jubbly. All right, so now we've got the custom keys in there. Let's have a look around the keyboard itself. On the right hand side, we got nothing. On the bottom, we got nothing except for the nice little logo there. Nothing on that side. On the left hand side, we've got nothing yet. And on the top, we've got a USB-C port for charging, and I'm assuming for connecting in USB-C mode. And on the back, we've got the on and off switch, which I shall turn on now. Is it on? Hey, there we go. We are on, and it is quite a bright light, actually, I have to say. Yeah, it's quite bright. Let me just turn off the light on the camera. Damn. So it looks like you got your mode buttons on the right hand side here. So you can, is that the function key? That's the function key. So you got that mode. What is this mode? Oh, this is per key. Right, so per key you touch, it will light up. Cool. We've got, what's this mode here? Oh, okay, this is per key you touch as well. Oh, nice. Oh, that one's nice as well. Okay. Got the kind of little breathing mode. I wonder if you can change to different colors of breathing mode. I'm not too sure how to do that yet though. So I'll just leave it as it is. And then we got a little breathing color spectrum mode there, so it's changing through all the colors. And then we got, oh, this one looks sick. Yeah, that's legit. That is hella legit. And then we've got another breathing one as well. Okay. That one as well. That one. Where's the normal RGB thing? It must be, here we go. This is what we're trying to get right now. Oh, and it's in sync. It's in sync with my laptop. Oh, this is what we want in life. Oh, just for the thumbnail. There we go. I think my laptop's a little bit quicker. Another thing that this tablet is really good for is switching between devices. So as you can see, I got my Android tablet here, and I got my laptop just in the back there. If I just scroll up so you can see that. There we go. Now, if I press function and 1, it will switch to my laptop, and I should be able to search on Google, YouTube Tech Jamo. There we go, and we got the Tech Jamo YouTube channel just there. And if I want to go onto the tablet now, I just press function and 2, and it should eventually go onto the tablet. And if I go to search, yeah, there we go, I can go to search Tech Jamo, and it will just search my notes, so I can go and start typing more on the notes. just like that. So yeah, the switching is quite a simple process. It's mad that you literally just need to press function and 1, and that will just switch the keyboard to my laptop, and I can actually open up the search function in the laptop and search, I don't know, what should we search? YouTube. There we go, search that, and then if I want to go onto the tablet, press function and 2, and let's go home. There we go, open the search. Yep, Immortals, Phoenix Rising. There we go, just like that, just like that. Another thing I noticed was that there's also a little volume slider here which can also be used to control the brightness of the keyboard by tapping this button here by my thumb. So if I tap it by my thumb there, I can turn the brightness of the keyboard all the way down, the brightness, and if I scroll it up, I can obviously make it a lot brighter. And again, if I press that button and I now scroll up, I'm controlling the sound on the tablet. Same way, if I switch to my Windows laptop behind, if I scroll up and down now, I'm controlling the volume on the laptop. Like, it's sick. It's sick. The way it just bounces between two different devices, legit fam, honestly legit. Yeah, honestly guys, the pairing process is easy, the typing feel is nice, the sound of the keys, quality stuff, and the fact that you can switch between two different keyboards and the brightness of the RGB lighting make this keyboard a definite win for me. I'm like, just look at that, it just looks so sick, and all the different patterns that you can get on there. This keyboard is exactly what I was looking for, and it may be exactly what you're looking for as well. So if you want, I put an affiliate link in the description section below, so if you purchase it from there, they'll give me a little something in return. So yeah, cop this from Amazon, cop this from wherever. Let me know if you've already got this keyboard or if you've got a similar keyboard that you want me to test out, and I'll see what I can do. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bless out.